You hear me now? I think there's some caps when I'm typing. Yeah. How about now? It's always embarrassing. I'm like, oh, I'm just sitting here talking to myself. This happened the other day, and it just changes my default audio, but there's no, it's still selected. It just doesn't work. So and since I took the scrolling chat bar off my screen, I forgot I have to open up chat because I was like, it seems awfully quiet in here. But anyways, that's boo-hoo, boo-hoo, boo-hoo. All right. What am I? Yeah, use wall connect client. Oh, that's why. I see. Always something. That slash wallet. See if that works. Hey, we're back. And we're back. What a wonderful time. So I did Tori, you probably have seen this before, but I mentor numero uno. I added this. So if you want to mint an NFT, you don't do anything here. You can put in your own address. It doesn't hurt anything. But if you want to mint it to somebody else, you can just drop their address in here and it mints right to their wallet. So you don't have to transfer it or anything. You can just mint directly to somebody else. It's going to be a slider option, but I thought it was a cool little thing, to be honest. But that's not why we're here. This is why we're here. And creating another collection. Mint. Okay. Yeah, create account. I'll just use this one. Mainnet. So I don't remember. I don't remember the command. Actually, I lied. I probably have it here. Let's see. And for collection creation, so I've got an example. So we don't need you right now. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so this is where I created the Pixie collection. So we're gonna call this one Philae. Okay. So Philae. I feel like this can't be. I can't create this one this way. I got his has got to be created with a different key and everything, so I can modify it. We can call this one. I feel like there's just got to be like a fun, trippy. No, I don't want to steal that from somebody else. I think just majestic unicorns. I think so. Majestic unicorns. I think we can make some majestic unicorns. Oh, okay. And then I just made all these little things for myself, so I don't have to, oops, I don't have to use my brain. Oops, why did that switch? Chain 8, Popo 1. I see. So let's name that chain 8, create. All right, so majestic unicorns. Majestic. Unlimited. Okay, unlimited. Okay. Okay, let me make sure we're on mainnet. I guess it wouldn't have. Yes, majestic unicorns. All right, let's take this. Oh, I've got a, hold on, I've actually got a cool way to do this. Polar. Let's see. Clear. Packed rows. Okay. So we're going to poll for this. Place with the actual rec key API dot change made on. And you'll see in a second when I move this over. Made a little script for myself to. I had it continually polling, but let's see what happens. I know you're going to hit soon. Let's see what triggers first. Sometimes I see it in my database first. Oh, I have to refresh that. Hold on. Hey, look. No kidding. Yeah, success true. At the same time, majestic unicorn shows up. Cool. So it's on chain. Success true. Wait, whole transaction. I wonder. Okay, so this is. I was logging continuation stuff. So I would have had to have logged return result, result, result. Let's see what it says. Okay. So this was our transaction. We have to go in there and break each of these array items out, but we don't need to do that right now because that is not the purpose of this. But just to see that it works, it's written, and so we can mint to them. So let's go back. NFT Minter. Look at that. Majestic unicorns exist to mint. So let's go make a unicorn. I think I made one the other day. Let's see. That one is minted. Okay. Rename M4. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Majestic unicorn. So I don't know. It's fine. Unicorn pang. Sorry about that. There was no stopping it. This collection is just meant to showcase awesome unicorns really are. Um, I've been throwing these. I put this on all of them so you can't just transfer them, I guess. I don't know. I'll just send these to people and I gotta like, I don't know how I'm gonna send them to them yet. So I'm gonna admit to myself. I guess it's good that I actually I haven't tested it since I changed that. Let me see. I don't actually want to mint it to myself. Give me 1 second. Okay. That's fine. Let's see if it works. Maybe. Ah, there we go. Just slow. So we should see in the command. Sec. Okay, cool. Hey, there we go. All right, so that minted. And when it's done polling, it will automatically clear the form. I just didn't need a loading screen to tell me that it was going. But obviously you'd want something like that. So I am going to work on this bad boy. So we need a couple unicorns, I think. Let's see if we can go make a couple unicorns while we're on here. Majestic unicorn flying through large blockchain field. It worked. It's just I gotta open that up. I think I'm blocking that on my node as my test node. It's not always the happiest. So if we wanted to do I'm going to do both of these. So the first one, I'll play with the Sims. Maybe I'll wait and save it to test this. Yeah. So I got oops. Here's one. That's pretty cool. And here's the other. Oh, pretty cool. It's kind of captured what I was looking for. Whole chain web feel to it. I like the dust kicking up. I didn't ask for that, but it's a nice touch. All right. So this is my polar. I don't need it right now, though. All right, I need to go back to my mass minter and look over some logic, because something in here I don't think is, yeah, JSON image account. Set accounts. Mass upload. I think I did this last time I was on here. I think I need an input field. Mass minting, mass upload. Thought it was just what am I don't need that. Custom toast. Oof. Oof. All right. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Today is not my day. I must have just gone outside for a minute and got wrecked. Because I didn't specify that. Anyways, we're going to toast dot warning minting. Currently minting. Okay. Mass mint, minting. Mass mint function. Mm-hmm. That's why these notes are helpful. To minter, mass mint. Okay, so I left a place for my policy type. Backend mint. Policy type. Collection name. I feel like I just fixed this. All right. Packed code. So in all packed code, I would need to set use create token. So Let's do this. Use marmalade-v2 ledger. Okay, so we want one gas cap. V data, we'll need our key set to sign. Okay. Policy type, get determined by that. Mint results. Minting failed. Token, that's URI. Okay. Create token. Interesting. Our account. It's probably important somewhere in here. Okay, if default royalty collection. Ah, yes, I remember now. Creator underscore our account. Token ID. Token ID. Movie data account guard. Where did I get that from? Read key set account guard by token ID. Okay. Recipient account. Recipient account. I feel like that's gonna fail. Account details. Coin details. Result. account. Okay. Where am I setting recipient account? Oh my, when did I butcher that? Okay. All caps stop push. Create token happens to my guard. Okay, so I need to update that. What does my form look like right now? Where did I put these? I feel like it was this one. It's not. It's bizarre. I swear. Let me see if I can find this real quick. Ah, okay. Mass Minter. All right, let's just built all this. Might as well reuse it, I guess. G. I suppose that works. Mint royalties, not it. Mass mint. Mass mint function. Account. Let's try. Let's just actually do 2. No, we need to do them all because that's what's in my. Let's see what happens. I expect this to fail. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Count. I think it's too far off. Yeah, account. Image file, JSON file, account. Image file, JSON file, account. Image file, JSON file. So it sends that request. Image file, JSON file. Okay, so result was all success. Counts result. Mint results. Result of mint results. Token ID. What did it return? Yes, mint function line 18. Okay. Let's try mass mint. Back in mint. It's because I'm not storing. Okay, let's see. Let's break this down. I know why it's not working. I want to make sure I don't overcomplicate this process. There must be a mass mint endpoint. Minter. JSON files. Okay, so mass mint, I found you. So rec buddy. Let's see if I'm sending it all with. Buddy. Policy default. Counts. Right. Dot buddy account. Interesting. Okay. Dot buddy. Policy, logging policy in there. And account. That's the account. It's the policy type. So batch files, so this would be file. Backend. What do I call that? Backend. So do I just call it account? Yeah, should. Account. Oh, I don't know. Form data, backend, file. Let's try. Okay, so I need to also take that in. Const counts plus filter. Counts. Why does my music keep stopping? That is annoying. Not today. Interesting. Looks like my internet's a little wonky today, but goodbye. Okay. Go away, streaming music. Come back. I have the C4, so I'm good to go. All right. So let's get this. Okay. All right. Let me just update this. Let accounts. File. Okay. All right. File account. I don't think that's right. Mint account. Okay, so it's okay. This ain't gonna work, but let me just see if that. Thank you. That. I don't think it likes the account. Negative. Okay. Batch files there. Let's see. It's a little happier with that. Okay, yeah, it's happier with that. It'll still probably fail, but all right. So the question is, did I get my list of users? I did. Nice. Nice. Okay. Hmm. max of 100. I don't think I need to change anything here now. Shows the length. Ah, yes. Okay, I had it. I just had it commented out. All right, so count for this. Count result. Is that what it was? Count result. Okay, recipient account. Result that recipient account. Recipient account. Account for this file. Token ID metadata hash. Okay. So backend mint. Batch files. Result of mint results. Result dot recipient account. There. Let's just do this. Okay. Save, save, save. Oops. Oh, come on. All right, okay, so I got an error. Cool. That's actually helpful. Let's balance. I feel like this is why. This is why it's failing. Okay. So this makes sense. Let's create account. Okay, mainnet. Let's do coin.create account. Main dash key set. KS. Very good. All right. And then we're going to do KS and voila, keys. All right. Private. Okay. Now, what other accounts were in there? I see. They're just some test accounts, so they may or may not be on. Hey, got funds on Chain8. Cool. So just this one. Send. Okay, we'll wait for that to finish. And then, curious if that was it, or was there another issue? Okay, with 2CD. Success. Okay. Maybe that was, I was having issues the other day. That's cool. We can just wait real quick. Majestic unicorns. I'm gonna do a Ninja Turtle one too. You just watch me. Okay. No time to spare. Would be pretty cool if it worked. I'm not gonna hold my hopes up though. This has been a huge pain. You liar. Did I not check that one? Oh, yeah, I would have done them both at the same time. Let's see. You little bugger snuck up on me. I thought I had them all. Now we wait, and now we wait. Thank you. I'm just having fun. Nothing serious. This is gonna be fun. So it looks like crap. I don't really care. I've been always very upfront about how I feel about front end development, but somebody gives me like a design, I can do it. I love doing that, but from scratch, I'm just terrible. And so this is going to be, it's got three purposes. The first is for airdrops. So you can come in here and you drop a list of basically images, JSON files in a CSV file in order of who you want each NFT to go to. It's going to support 50 at a time. So it takes care of uploading it to IPFS and processing it and minting it. And then when you hit mint, you sign it, which we're going to hopefully do here soon. And voila, you have now airdropped NFTs to people. I'm also going to use this in some other forms where it's going to be not this specifically, but the process itself will be. When we have, like, I call them curated mints, but basically like you pay a mint to mint, and then we reveal later or at the same time. Both of those are supportable. And what this will do is batch. So if there's 100 NFTs to distribute, this will batch them in the same logic applies, and it's actually easier than when I'm passing it back and forth, and able to you want. Can kind of have like nobody should need my help. That's the point of why we're spending a little bit of time to make it really simple for the users, but you should be able to go create your own collection, upload your own art. Yes, there will be fees for some of this stuff because hosting all of it is not free. I want to make sure that those things get covered, but outside of that, the idea is to make this super easy for people, and I feel we've done that. There's just a little bit of extra testing I've been doing since I got on mainnet for V2, and I kind of had to start over with some of this. So threw a bunch of code away. I've been having a little bit of fun rebuilding some of this, and then Squeegee's going to make it all pretty. That was weird. Defined. Okay. Oh, yay! Look at that. Look at that. I can't say that it's right. Let me check. Oh, look at that, you son of a gun. I hope this one's right because this is the biggest pain. Yeah, let me make sure they match up. GYC. It's got my key. Yep, heck yeah. It's got my signing key just like I'd expect. It should have put. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Just sign it. Ah, whatever. I'm sure it. Oh, why is it not happy? That's all right. I got like, this is the easy part. I got to put a resume so I don't keep uploading. If the image and stuff's already out there, it actually doesn't upload it again. It just returns the IPFS value for me. But I want to make that a little bit smoother for people. Helper 359. Helper 359. That's cool though. I did to get to the point where I'm getting a signature means we're real close. I was actually hoping wallet somewhere in here. Wallet 8. Helper 359. What's on 359? Whereas, okay, so something in my command format must be. Count guard. I wonder if that's throwing it off. Add request. Marmalade v2 ledger. Create token. Text pad online. I don't know. So like a. I just hack myself. I don't know. All right, let's inspect one of these. Create policies default. Be key set KS, which is correct. And then we're going to mint it to them. We can set underscore count guard T underscore, yeah, 1.0. New key set. Should be fine. The problem with mass doing anything is it comes to error. Inspection can be tricky. Main arguments, CD1. That all looks good. Create token. With my key, which is right. Gas is in here once, which is correct. End invalid end of input. I'm wondering if grab another copy of that. I'm thinking yeah. Yeah, I'm wondering if this needs to get Yeah, let's just make a change real quick and see. I have a suspicion of what's causing this. I can go back through and rework this flow a little bit better now that it's working, obviously. Okay, so free token, I think. Packed code. We can do this for now. So let all packed code. Let all packed code equal. Okay. Just make this, let's just simple for a second, because I suspect it's not. Packed code. How did I do my mass? I remember it being touchy before, and I don't remember. Packed code. Code. No, don't need. Oh, that should have worked. You know what? Let's just do it for kicks in. Let's just do it for giggles. Shall do it for giggles. Dot that. I have no idea. I don't think this should matter. It's getting invalid end of input. Tells me maybe something in here is not happening. Count guard token ID. If not, I might just do index position. Okay, all caps, stop push. Those all look good. Kept it simple. Let's see if that helped. Oops. Nothing in there. Let's try it again. Interesting. Very interesting. See the account is correct. Massive function 201. That should be fine. v2.ledger.create policies. Ledger mint. Count guard. What did I do? That's probably why. You know, I'm hoping that's all it was. put in the wrong spot. Seems happier. Let's see what it actually does. Okay. So this time, let's check her out. Read key set. Great. Key set with a 0. Count guard T R Q H F. Okay. It should be C. RQ. Wonder if my order is getting messed up, which is possible. That'd actually be fine if it was. T. Right here. Okay. No, it's the right one. That key set looks. Keys. Keys. Adding keys twice. Okay. That's hopefully that's why. Yeah. Okay. I'm very curious. Keys, recipient account guard. Yeah, let's just, sometimes this is just easier. Slice off 2. Okay. And normally we do create ledger token. Meta chain 8. Let's try this. Oops. Can't tell if anybody's messaged me. I've never seen pack code have multiple different commands in a single sending request. Yeah, you can, sorry, I didn't see the chat. You can stack quite a few commands, actually. You can stack inside one. And so when you're building your logic, like this is my logic for determining what type of token you're minting. But if you come up here, you can see I have like a separate cap system for my minting. And then I have a set up here for my minter. So my minter account. Yeah, the most I think I've done is stack 700 commands in one with 700 keys to create a bunch of accounts. So, and I just let that run for a couple minutes and went through 10 batches of them. So it worked fine. But yeah, you can stack up to your gas limit. So you might as well. Local and send. Helper. Local and send. Let's do 58,000 gas. All right, 2 changes. Hopefully one of them fixes this. Because I would think it would have told me there was a gas issue though, but let's see if that's happier. Keys. Yay. All right, let's see if that works. You bugger. End of input. So something. Ledger 14. Yep, it's not writing in. Data node 0, chain 8, V1. Okay. Create token. Where doesn't like the escapes. So let's just do it's fine. And then let's get rid of you for a second. And then close back to code. What is it sending? Back to code. The trouble is when you're troubleshooting these, it can be a little trickier. Yeah, didn't like that. Success. I would thought it would have failed if it didn't. Let it. No, that's not going to help. I know what it's doing. How do I want to fix it? Caps is fine. So let's do that. Let's do this for a second. And then, where are you? Okay. So, push. Let's just try and see if that'll contain it better. Maybe. I have a feeling it's going to still fail. All packed code. Okay. Let us see. Let us see. give it another minute. Yeah, okay. So, hmm, just undo. I'm gonna go through some of my other code. I did it. It's just not a perfect one-to-one from my back end to my front end. So I'm gonna go back in a little bit. I gotta call somebody back. I can't delay that too much longer before 3, which we have a minute. So I'll maybe I'll show this tomorrow, or I'll hop back on in a little bit. But for now, I think I'm gonna just leave it at that. It's close, but that's essentially one of the tools I've been tinkering with, and it's like I said, it's got multi-use case. So I got one use case working. This is the second, and then I've got a third, which the third is literally just adding a toggle to it, so it shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, the flow, it works. I know what's going on. I don't know why I'm not thinking about like adding that together. It's creating an escape character, which you don't want. And then when it goes, the wallet goes to parse it, it's like, stop it. So maybe if I have an idea, a couple things I can do. I've run into this before. I just try not to change too much code, but we'll figure it out. But thanks for joining with me, and I feel like I made some progress, but I'm a little slower whenever I stream. I don't know, my brain can't connect through all the way, but I have fun with it and just kind of showing what's going on behind the scenes a little bit, and I like it. So it's all it's all a process, and some of this is working in some more difficult things to do. And I got to get some queuing and things like that, and being able to resume this if it fails. So I got to add all that in. I don't find that to be too particularly hard though. So we'll get that. And with that, I'm going to hop off and appreciate anybody who was able to join. Thanks for the questions.